watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Arthur from Hey Arthur. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Before I get into the supplies, if you guys haven't hit the subscribe button, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. A few supplies we'll need as always includes a blank piece of drawing paper, and you'll need a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. We will need a few different markers today. We will need a red, blue, yellow, a darker purple, a brown, and last but not least, a caramel color. Well, I think we'll do really great in this drawing. Let's go try to draw Hey Arthur. Let's see what we can come up with. For the first step in making Arthur, we're going to begin to make a shape that is similar to a rectangle. Below on the right side, we're going to begin to make the right pant leg, and then we'll make the shoe underneath. Once we complete the right leg and shoe, we're going to hop over to the left side, where we'll begin to do the same thing that we did on the right. Awesome, now we're going to begin to add some detail to Arthur's shoes. Now we're going to move up top. We're going to begin to make the right arm of Arthur. Above the arm that we just made, we're going to make two circles. These circles will be Arthur's eyes. Then, in order to make Arthur's glasses, we're going to put another circle around each circle that we just made. Great, now we're going to make two small black dots for the nostrils, and then we're going to make Arthur's mouth right below those nostrils. Let's go ahead and add in our pupils. If you want to put your pupils in a different spot inside of Arthur's eyes, that's okay too. Now we're going to make the outline for Arthur's head. It's going to go all the way over to his right shoulder. Now above each eye, we're going to add a small eyebrow for Arthur. Once we're all done adding detail to Arthur's face, we're going to make his ears. This is coming along very well. Now we're going to add in Arthur's collar right below his head. Now we're going to finish Arthur's shirt, and then we're going to add a little bit of detail to his jeans. This is How to Draw Arthur. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in your Arthur with us.